Welcome to Goose Creek Fly Fishing. Today we're going to go into how to start your chenille on your hook. So I've already put some thread on there for demonstration so I can see. Alright, so what we're going to do, when you cut your chenille and you have this kind of end right here, what you want to do, and you do this with all your chenilles, you'll pull it and see how you get those little cords there. So then you just take that and you're going to want to give a wrap. Just one or two wraps will be fine. And then you can just start your chenille. In doing it this way, you'll end up having a nice level body across, where if you start on the chenille with it just this end, you can end up with a bump at the beginning of your fly. So if you're a new fly tyer and you're seeing a bump right there at the butt section of your fly where you're tying a bunch of stuff in, that is why you're seeing that. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like or subscribe or the follow, whatever that one is. And I appreciate it, and I'll see you around the vise.